Dr. Punjabrao Deshmukh Krishi Vidyapeeth, Akola, one of the esteemed agricultural university of India, established on 20th October 1969 and is in Vidarbha region of Maharashtra state to impart agricultural education in this region. The network of agricultural research stations, KVKs and colleges had been spread out in the jurisdictions of the university in the Vidarbha region. Just after the establishment of the university in the year 1972, ICAR New Delhi has supported Dr. PDKV Akola with All India Coordinated Research Project on Cotton for strengthening the research of cotton under rain-fed conditions in Vidarbha region. Being a major cotton growing area of Maharashtra state, the Cotton Research Unit of Dr. Punjabrao Deshmukh Krishi Vidyapeeth is playing a key role in agricultural development, catering to meet the needs of farmer community of the state besides its recognition at national and international level. Since inception of Cotton Research Unit, 6 varieties, 4 hybrids, 7 arboreum varieties and 2 hybrids of arboreum cotton have been developed and released so far. The great contribution of late Dr. M.A. Tayyab, eminent cotton breeder of university in development of most popular hybrid PKV Hybrid 2 is well known to the scientific and farming community of India. Cotton Research Unit Dr. PDKV Akola has strong association with ICAR, CICR Nagpur, MSSC Limited Akola for development of BT cotton hybrids and varieties for the benefit of the farmers. In collaboration with this organization, 2 BT cotton varieties ICAR CICR PKV 081 BT and Rajat BT cotton hybrid PKV hybrid 2 BG2 and PDKV JKAL 116 BG2 were developed. Recently, 2 new promising early high-yielding BG1 hybrids AKHH 2022-1 and AKHH 2022-2 having more than 29 mm staple length have been developed in collaboration with MSSC Limited Akola and are under second year testing of ICAR BT trials. Cotton Research Unit has developed several need-based cotton production technologies for the benefit of cotton growers. Since the inception, this unit has developed more than 85 agronomic research recommendations on various themes, that is, sowing time, plant geometry, HDPS technology, weed management, irrigation management, in situ moisture conservation, crop canopy management, integrated nutrient management, BT cotton based cropping systems, and these technologies were included in state package of practices of cotton. To study the impact of improved cotton production technologies on productivity enhancement of cotton in the region, efforts were made to transfer economically viable technologies from Cotton Research Unit to the farmers' field through the ICAR NFSM frontline demonstration programs on farmers' field since 91-92. More than 500 FLDs were conducted so far to boost the productivity and overall production by using recent agricultural technologies developed by university through FLDs. Responding to the growing concern of pink bollworm infestation in the region, the attempts have been made to disseminate the practice among the farmers to minimize the losses in cotton production through insect resistance management project since 2017-18. Several interventions have been suggested by this unit to combat the PBW infestation. Cotton Research Unit had great contribution in dissemination of developed technologies through participation in farmers trainings, Krishi Medavas, Shivar Feri, agricultural exhibition, farmers field schools, field days, workshops, technology week and other extension programs in collaboration with State Agricultural Department and other stakeholders and made significant achievements in dissemination of technology information through print media, television for the benefit of farming community. Many national and international dignitaries visited the Cotton Research Unit research field and appreciated the effort of cotton scientists research done for the farmers of Vidarbha.